In a meadow, bathed in the warm sun's glow, lived Bunting, a little bird, with a heart full of woe. Bunting was known for his cheery song, bright as a rose. But he felt empty, as if something was lost. One day, Bunting met Blossom, a flower so fine. Her petals shimmered with colors, a sight divine. "Why do you look so sad, Bunting?" Blossom asked with a sigh. "My song has lost its joy, and I don't know why." Blossom listened intently, her petals gently sway. "My dear Bunting, let's find a way to bring your song back, and bring back your cheer. For in life, it's important to have something to share." They ventured together, through the meadow and wood, seeking the wisdom of the ancient, the wise, and the good. Their first stop was at old oak, ancient and tall, who whispered, "Bunting, your song is a gift, it's a call. Sing for those who are weary, sing for those who are lost. Sing for the joy of creation, let your song be uncost." Bunting listened, his heart felt a change. He felt a new melody, began to arrange. Next, they sought counsel from the brook, clear and bright, who told them, "True joy lies in sharing, in giving of light. Give your song to others, let it bring them delight. And in doing so, you'll find your own heart's plight." In the forest, they met Sparrow, her eyes full of grace. Whispered, "Bunting, your song holds a special place. It's a beacon of hope, it's a gentle embrace. It's the rhythm of life, and it's a beautiful pace." With newfound confidence, Bunting began to sing. His melody was heard far and wide, it seemed to make everything spring. His song brought comfort to the lonely, and hope to the weak. It was a balm to the weary, a respite from their leak. And as Bunting's song filled the air, he felt a newfound joy. A joy that came from sharing, from spreading life's joy. "Blossom," he said, "I found what I'd been seeking. A melody of giving, a song of reaching." Blossom smiled, her petals glowed. "Indeed, Bunting, life's true treasure is bestowed when we share our gifts, when we share our song. We find our own happiness, and make the world bright and strong." And so, Bunting and Blossom, in the meadow they stayed, sharing their gifts, in a beautiful display. A lesson learned, a friendship forged, a melody that spoke of the power of giving, of the joy that it spoke. "Life is a song," Bunting sang one day. "Sing it, share it, in every way. For in giving, we receive, in loving, we grow. In sharing our gifts, we let life's beauty show." And from that day forth, the meadow was filled with song. From Bunting, from Blossom, and many more strong. A symphony of life, a melody of love. A tale of giving, a story of charm above.